My name's Charles with Dan King's 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm a comfort advisor for the business. The most important day of a heating and air system's life is the day that it's installed. If it's not installed properly, it's never going to work right. It's not going to be as efficient as it's supposed to be, and you're going to have to replace it before you should have to. So everybody knows that this is one of the most expensive pieces of equipment in your home. It is the most expensive appliance that you'll ever have to replace, so you only want to have to do it, as least as possible, right? So a lot of the things that come in with installations is obviously, where the equipment goes, how it fits in the space that it's in, and obviously, the code requirements that come along with that. Whenever you're looking into system replacement, things of that nature, obviously permitting, inspections, making sure that the contractor that's putting it in is doing it by the manufacturer's requirements, things of that nature. Those are really important things when it comes to heating and air installation. And I mean, for maintenance as well, if they're not installed properly, then it makes it difficult for the technicians to do their jobs once they get there to fix them or maintain them after the fact. Whenever you're picking a contractor to do things like this, you want to make sure you do your research and that you find the right company for you guys.